Welcome back. Turns out my phone ran out of memory. Right, okay, so on with the video. This is the SimDash display. We have a configuration mode where we can step through each of the modes. And these are the calibration modes for the accelerator, brake and clutch, A, B and C. We have live pedal mode where I can actually push on the accelerator pedal and show where it's actually going, full scale or not. Same thing for brake, same thing for clutch. Under pedals, I can actually turn the pedals on and off by just changing modes. I can turn the shifter on and off, and this is actually changing what is being reported to the PC. So all of the inputs will actually change according to what these settings are. This is the pedal override, turns it into rudder mode. So if you want to play a flight simulator, it changes your throttle and clutch or brake into a very fancy set of rudder pedals. The e-brake, there is actually a spare pin right here to be used for an e-brake, so you can use an e-brake if you wish. Automatic menus will actually go back into sim mode after 20 seconds automatically. That's standard. And the calibrations, as you can see, I can change the minimum calibration, I can change the maximum calibration in increments of 5, and it will actually top out like so. So back into standard mode here, and I'm going to fire up Project Cars, and this should just come alive as a dashboard. So I'm loading up. Well, there we go. Now I dropped the phone. I'm loading up a game of Bathurst on Project Cars, and we are running the Batrako SimDash software. I've had to rewrite his entire protocol today. There was a number of issues with bytes not being captured and dropped if they're incorrect. So I've had quite a few instability issues with his code especially on the USB CDC serial port. So I've had to rewrite some of that. So Project Cars, coming out of pit lane. This is an Aston Martin on Bathurst, and I can quite happily demonstrate the dashboard display, pedals and shifter all at the same time. How good's that? Okay, so coming out of pits, I now have manual control again, so apply some brake. Now we'll select first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, and so on. Reverse is down. I've got a very intermittent switch on that reverse gear, but that's okay. As you can see, the game is showing reverse, first gear, clutch in, throttle up, and I can demonstrate we actually have a very weak LED here at the moment, but it is, it is resistor limited, but that will actually be an external shift light. Brake force pressure controller, again that will just dial up and down the brake. However, with the clutch in, I can actually demonstrate I've activated launch control mode, foot on the throttle, and drop the clutch, and there we go. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, so that's just demonstrating the launch control is still activated, and the dashboard works. So there you go. All I have to do now is finalize the design and shape of the shell, fit all of this gear somehow in there nice and cleanly, and at any point you can make a G25 Shifter adapter, a 10-bit pedal adapter with launch control, brake force control, a shift light, and a display all in one. So a lot of code, a lot of effort, a lot of time has gone into this, and I'm pleased to say I'm really happy with the results. I personally will be running this as my main pedal and shifter setup, even though I'm riding a G27 with another shifter. So yes, I'm running twin shifters, no pun intended, and yeah, so I can use either shifter anytime I want, left hand, right hand, for left hand drive or right hand drive cars, which you never know, might come in handy. So anyway, with that, that's what I made. It's pretty cool. I like it. I'm pretty sure you guys will too, and I'm not far from actually manufacturing, so this will be good fun. Very excited. Thank you.